They come to Tokyo chasing neon lights, giant crossings, and viral photo spots. But every single day, thousands of tourists walk right past this alley and never even know what they missed. This is Tripinn, where we slow travel way down and let places speak for themselves. If you're into places most tourists never notice, subscribe to Tripinn and hit the bell icon. Shinjuku is sensory overload. Crowds spill out near Shinjuku crossing. Trains unload waves of people from Shinjuku station every few minutes. Everything's loud, bright, fast. And right next to all that chaos, a narrow alley most people assume is just a back lane. That's Omoide Yokocho. From the outside, it honestly looks like nothing special. That's why people walk right past it. Here's the thing, Shinjuku trains you to look up at skyscrapers, up at LED billboards, up at whatever's screaming for attention. But this alley, it's low-key. You could blink and miss it. The entrance feels tight, almost off limits. No one's pulling you inside. No big menu boards trying to sell you something. You have to choose to step in, and most people don't. But once you walk in, the whole vibe shifts. The space narrows fast. Tiny bars line both sides. Maybe 6 or 7 seats each. Yakitori grills fire up right in front of you. Smoke rolls under red lanterns. It feels real. Not polished, not curated, kind of old school, in the best way. If you want places tourists never find, subscribe to Tripinn and hit the bell icon. This place goes back to Tokyo's post-war days, when food stalls slowly turned into permanent micro-bars. It wasn't built to be trendy, it was built to survive. And that energy, it's still here. After work, locals slide into their usual spots. No cameras, no hype. They're just unwinding. Meanwhile, right outside, Shinjuku is going full throttle. Tourists usually follow what's loud and obvious. But Omoide Yokocho doesn't compete. It just exists. Steady, unfazed, and unless you're paying attention, you'll walk right past it without even realizing what you missed. In a district known for going big, this place stays small on purpose. That's what makes it special. Locals value it because it hasn't sold out to flash. It hasn't traded intimacy for attention. It's gritty, it's authentic, and it's been here the whole time, in plain sight. So next time you're in Shinjuku, before you sprint toward the brightest lights, take a breath, look to the side. Because sometimes the places tourists walk past every single day are the ones that hit the hardest once you step inside. This is Tripinn, where we slow travel way down and let places speak for themselves. Subscribe to Tripinn and hit the bell icon, and we'll catch you in the next hidden corner of the world. On your screen is our full Japan playlist. More hidden corners and slow moments across Japan. If this alley showed you a different side of Tokyo, there's more waiting for you there. See you in the next journey.